And completing our 91 contingents joining the Pamulak Cagayawan 2012 is the Aero Tour Transport Services.
Yes, Don. Alam mo, Don, dito talaga ako na-entry na shock talaga. May helicopter pa tayo doon.
Shock ka talaga, Tom?
Oh my God.
We have seen a display of helicopter in a low flat
Free ride ito. Free ride. Sabi ni Tomas, ni Councilor Tomas. Free ride yan, Councilor?
Oo.
Ayan ako, pinaghandaan din ito.
This Aero Tour Transport Services cater aerial tour and aerial work. So ngayon, aerial tour.
Pwede try natin?
Pwede, sir, ma'am?
Mamaya. Ha?
Masikapil na sa ramon ba?
That is the helicopter from the Aero Tour Transport Services.
Yes.
Aside from celebrating the Cagayawan 2012, Tom, we have a birthday boy.
Yes, and once again, we would like to greet the chairman of the Pamulak Parade, ang ating Pamulak boy, si Sir Elwin Alfaraque.
Hi, Sir Elwin! Happy birthday! Ang party! Blow up, blow up, blow up, blow up! Burger, burger, burger!
Binit burger na siguro tako ito ba rin.
Maugip daw kay buy one take one. Ang pogi ng helicopter. So,
alright, so we have another entry sa likod, no? It's from the Alpha Kappa Rho International.
Or AFRO.
Ayun, bigo-bigo pa talaga.
Mga sis at Brad. The motto of our fraternity is Truth Conquers All, or in Latin tongue, it is
Visit Omnia Veritas.
So it was founded on August 8, 1973 at the University of Santo Tomas. The AFRO has how many chapters?
36 in Davao City, guided by the Davao Supreme Council. So their vision is for the advancement of a just and humane society, always seeking the truth, enjoyment of peace, harmony, and goodwill with other fraternities. So long live Alpha Kappa Rho International!